I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by holding the use action and immediately moving. This initiates the cancel. Explain why. Movement interrupts the long animation while preserving the action result, so you keep efficiency. Once done, make sure your tool or item is equipped in a hotbar slot and your character faces the direction you intend. You press use, then flick movement. This short sequence is the core. Practice a few times to build timing because the rhythm matters more than speed. Now you refine the timing. Tap movement within the first half second after starting an action. That split-second input is what cancels the full animation. You should alternate action and brief movement taps to chain multiple cancels back-to-back. Explain why. Short taps avoid retriggering longer animations while still counting the action outcome. Once you can reliably hit the window, increase pace. Make sure to practice on simple tasks like watering or hoeing before trying complex sequences. Finish by checking the visual and audio cues. If the tool's swing is cut short and the effect registers, you succeeded. If not, slow your inputs by about 10 to 20% and rebuild speed. This resets your muscle memory. Explain why. Inconsistent timing or input method causes failures, so swap keyboard and gamepad tests to find what works best. Once consistent, combine cancels into routines. Troubleshoot by reducing sensitivity or using single key taps until the window becomes natural to hit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.